Good morning, guys. It is a pleasure to greet you again. Hope that everything in your homes will go wonderfully. In previous session, we talked about the executive summary, its characteristics, its structure, length, importance, and some tips for reading it in English. Now, we will talk briefly about the business idea, which will be developed throughout this course. The origin of business idea can become the most important factor during entrepreneurship. It is the origin of the project, the fundamental basis on which the business approach will be sustained. The point of the idea is that it is something that you are passionate about, an activity that actually catches your attention so that in this way you allocate all the time it deserves. A well-served business with good administration is a good way to success. Entrepreneurship is based on the idea, a fresh and creative idea to carry out the business. A well-thought idea can represent a business full of benefits. However, this is the most difficult decision to make. Even many people do not have even the slightest idea of what they will do to create their business. When it comes to looking for the origin of a business idea, the market in which we want to complete must be mainly definite, because this factor will establish the type of client we will have in the business. The product or service must always be targeting a part of the population, large or small. This must be made clear. Also, as customers are established, one must think about the kind of problems that these customers are going through. In order to know if our product can really be directed towards them and satisfy the needs that other companies do not cover. Once the customer's problems are detected, the part where we solve the problem through the product arrives. Perhaps the product thought at the beginning did not give good solutions, or all the solutions in the area will handle. This is where it is modified and improved or good to provide a correct service. If entrepreneurship in the world had better ideas and different ways by thinking than those in the world, the crisis that currently affects us probably was not at this critical point. Crucial part of the origin of a business idea is to identify the advantage and benefits that it offers us in the short and long term, but economically and personally, and in the contribution made to the society where we are located. Entrepreneurship needs a push. Entrepreneurs must find the motivation um, they lack to carry out their idea through their own business that generates good and continuous income. For your homework for this final lesson, you will explain the process of selecting the business idea to be developed by themes. If you remember, in this week, you select the members of your teams and select the business idea to develop for this course. Now you're going to explain the ideas that were proposed and on which you were based to choose the current proposal. My dear students, as always, it's a pleasure to work with you. Doubts and questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Have a nice weekend.